Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what we have for Scorpios. Okay, so we have the Nine of Swords on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay, we have the Lovers on your person's side, and let's see most likely outcome. Okay, the most likely outcome is the Four of Cups. What's wrong? With the Nine of Swords, there is something which is troubling you. A lot of anxiety, a lot of tension, a lot of overthinking is going on. Something is really disturbing you. Having sleepless nights, not able to focus on anything. And here on your person's side, there's a Lover's card. So I'll have to see the details with the clarifiers before I comment, because according to the Lovers, it is a beautiful relationship, a beautiful committed relationship. Then what's troubling you, Scorpios? And as a mutual outcome, also we have the Four of Cups. So somebody is upset, not interested in anything, not able to focus on anything. So let's see what's there before I comment much on it. So let's see, why is this Nine of Swords here for? Okay, we have the Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Wheels, we have the Ace of Cups, and we have the Seven of Cups. Okay, here on your person's side, okay, we have the Two of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, it's most likely, why is this Four of Cups here for? Okay, this Five of Cups, this is the third time ultimately this card has shown up. Every time I was shuffling, this card was coming out. So there is something definitely. Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Three of Cups, King of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Nine of Wands, Four of Pentacles. What's happening to this connection? It's a beautiful connection. Let's see. With the Ten of Wheels, what I'm getting here is it's like with the Seven of Cups, especially over here, and the Ten of Wheels, what I'm getting here is that did you just play a dice on this relationship, sort of? Like, and it didn't work ultimately. It's like when you're playing a game of Ludo and you just put the dice and a number comes up. It's just luck, whatever comes up. So it's some, and here with the Seven of Cups, it was perhaps you had many choices, and then it's like lucky dip. Okay, let's go maybe you got a little bit of inclination from the other person and you pick that person for the relationship. Okay, let's move, let's go ahead. It's coming off like that. You something related to the dice, and it is something which is like when you're playing the dice, it's whatever the number comes, it's according to your luck. It just happens, whatever comes it comes. So it's something related to that, as if you are just choosing, okay, this any mini minor mo type of a thing, and okay, you if this doesn't work, this will work, something like that. That is what you did perhaps. And maybe that is your nature, can be this, because what the vibe which I'm getting is like that of a playboy or a playgirl type of a thing. That is the vibe actually, that is what I'm getting, that's what I'm trying to say. So maybe that is your nature, that you just keep on taking those risks. Maybe this is a new risk for you or adventure for you. It's that's playboy playgirl type of a thing. That's what you've done. Okay, and the thing is that see, it can be that you started off like that, but then you became emotional for this person. Can be this. Okay, so you started off just like that, and then perhaps you became serious for this person and you became emotional for this person. Okay, but there is something which is causing you anxiety. Let's see what the cause is here. Let's move ahead in the reading, move forward. So here for the lovers, we have the Two of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. For some of you, it can be a love triangle also. For some of you, it can be a love triangle, because here also we have the Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles. So it can be, and it is showing up on this person's side. Okay, so this person, your person, we have the Two of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. So according to this person, according to them, they were serious about this relationship. They were honest in this relationship. Okay. And they were very happy also about it. But with the Two of Swords, they have become closed off to some extent, perhaps for the reason that maybe they've come to know that it is a love triangle, perhaps. Let me see if there is anything else. First of all, let's see what's there on this side. Okay, so we have, for additional information, we have the Tower, the Six of Swords, the Devil. On this side, Chariot, the Six of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, the Hangman, Queen of Swords, the Hangman, and the Two of Wands. Okay. So as far as this is concerned, maybe this person with the chariot over here, see, it can be that it was a love triangle, and for those for whom it was not a love triangle, then maybe this was a time when you were spending time nicely, perhaps. Maybe you were friends, sort of, or maybe you were spending time together, maybe working together. It can be something of that sort. Maybe working together for some reason. Maybe it is a workplace relationship. So, but there is something that this person had good intentions, they were very happy about this relationship, but something is causing trouble to this person also, that this person has withdrawn to some extent. Okay, now this person has withdrawn because maybe they rushed in very fast and things were okay. Initially things were okay, but then there has something has definitely happened, that maybe the situation is stuck, things were not moving forward. Perhaps this person wanted some sort of commitment or something, but then things stuck, and this person is now waiting. That's what I'm getting here. So it can be that initially things moved very fast between both of you, or this person rushed in towards you. So things were moving pretty fast for both of you. And what I'm getting is that this person perhaps wanted some sort of commitment from you, and it didn't happen, and the situation stuck at that place because perhaps, as I said, you were just playing, or this was a playboy playgirl type of an image. You were not very serious about it, and when this person asked for a commitment, you were not ready, and the situation stuck over there, and now this person is just waiting. Okay, it can be you, because these cards, they can read the energies of the other person also. Okay, so this is what is happening. It can be happening on your side because you are also anxious over here. This person is also closed off, not investing now much, perhaps for this reason. And on this side is the Tower, the Six of Swords, and the Devil. So what I feel here is that perhaps, see, there are two things. Either now you have become emotional for this person, can be one thing, or another thing is, since you were just playing with the feelings, you had guarded your heart quite nicely without investing in them. There can be two possibilities, that either you started becoming emotional, but you were very well guarding your heart. You were not that emotional for them, obviously, because you were not planning to commit. But then perhaps slowly you became a little bit attached or emotional for them. But then perhaps this person, when this person asked for a commitment and you withdrew, and you didn't give them that commitment, that's what I want to say, and you didn't respond perhaps, and then this person also closed off, that came as a shock for you. Okay, that came as a shock for you. That is the thing which I am getting. So you just played a dice. Okay, any mini minor mo, let me move on, let me flirt with this one, let me choose this one. Okay, and then you were guarding your heart very nicely, not investing emotionally in that person, though slowly you started developing feelings, but still you weren't investing much. This person wanted a committed relationship over here, was very happy. Perhaps it was a workplace scenario, can be a love triangle for some of you, but then perhaps things were moving very fast between both of you. At some point in time, this person wanted some commitment or balance in the form of a commitment. They wanted something from you, and that can be a commitment only, which didn't come in. And since this commitment didn't come in, the situation, you didn't commit to this person because you didn't think that it will make any difference, and this person will be there for you, and perhaps you took them for granted for some reason. And then this person withdrew with the Two of Swords. They just withdrew. They were not investing in the relationship now, though they are waiting, but they are not investing in this relationship. Okay, and here it came as when they withdrew and they were not sort of maybe even talking to you, because they were thinking that you will be committing to them and you didn't. This came as a shock for you with the Tower and with the Devil. Now it is Six of Swords. You now, what I am getting here is you are also obsessed with this person. As I said, you also started getting attached to this person. Now you want this person, you want this person back. Okay, you also want this person. Maybe it is even hurting your ego in that case. For whatever reason, you want this person back, and that is the cause of this sleepless night over here. Sleepless nights over here. And with the Four of Cups as the mutual outcome, as I said, it's not a very good outcome. So obviously, you or the other person or both of you are depressed over here. So we have, as the clarifiers, we have the Five of Cups, the Three of Cups. So definitely it can be a third party, but it can be a reconciliation also for some of you, maybe, but it's talking about a third party more of somebody is upset definitely over here. Can be a third party definitely. And here we have the King of Pentacles and again the Three of Swords. It's heart-wrenching for both of you. Maybe you were toying with other people also. Can be, even if it is not a committed third party relationship, maybe this person, maybe three people were involved in a relationship, since this is a playboy or a playgirl type of an energy. So maybe you were playing with the feelings of two people. Maybe you were involved with more than one person, three or even more, I don't know. So, and here with the King of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. So definitely there is a lot of agony and a lot of heartbreak in this situation. With the Nine of Wands and the Four of Pentacles, somebody feels there is a barrier in moving ahead. This person feels obstructed, and the Four of Pentacles, I don't see any movement as such positive in this relationship as for now at least. Things are guarding your own self, guarding your own happiness, keeping things to your own. That's what. I don't see anybody opening up over here. And with the King of Pentacles is the thing which I feel is you or the other person or both of you, you are choosing to stay alone and work on yourself and be in your own happiness, guarding your own happiness. I don't think anybody is going to make a move as far as, at least in the near future. Just working on your own self and spending time alone. See what is the guidance from the universe. I love you. These are the powerful words. Number 20 or number 2 may be of some significance for you. So perhaps this is something somebody needs to say, because here this person is waiting for you. They wanted a commitment which you didn't give them. So perhaps that is what is the guidance. You need to do that. You need to express your love for them. You need to open up and you need to commit over here. That is what is the requirement, and only then I think things will be sorted out if they are in the near future. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.